YouTube viewers. We have this SMC. I picked this up outside of all places, Skycraft. I'm surprised to see it out there. They usually don't sell fans there, so found it rather amusing. See if I can get an image of the tag for us. There you go. This fan does need a pretty good amount of cleaning. It's a pretty big motor in there, actually. I'm surprised how big this thing is. Unfortunately, this fan was left in the rain, but it looks like all the blades survived, except for this one. This one's got some water damage to it, at least the outside of it. So you can see right there. So I probably need at least one blade or replacement blades on this fan. I'm guessing this fan used to have a light kit on it, based on where the screws are at. But it does run good. Has a bit of a wobble, probably because that one blade has water damage and isn't straight. But has the old school canopy, which is a beehive canopy, which is kind of cool to see. So let's go ahead and start off on low. So high, medium, low. A little bit. Keep my shoe on. Besides the water damage to that blade, everything seems like it works fine. I mean, I don't know if I caught it early in the rain or what, but bearings work fine, the motor works fine. It really looks pretty classy. So there's our low speed. So off, like medium. Here again. That's it on its medium speed. Putting a good amount of air already. So low, off, high. All in all, it's a very good fan. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Medium, low, off. Definitely has a lot of torque. Usually don't see fans torque back like Hunter Originals, and this one torques back, which is impressive. This fan is already sold. It's going to Dan Spiffy, if anyone knows him. I'm pretty sure everyone knows him, but just so you guys know. Let's go ahead and get a shot over here as we finish running down. Oh, that doesn't work that well. Nope, back over here. I like the bottom switch cap on this one. I can't stop shaking this camera. Let's see, get a camera stand or something. One thing I haven't tested yet, I don't think I've tested the reverse function, so I'll test it actually in the video. So let's spin down, let me go ahead and flip that. Oh. There we go, reversed. Let's throw this in high reverse, make sure everything works fine. Still spinning and stop. Alright, so let's go ahead and do reverse. Looks like reverse works. Like it speed in reverse. Oh yeah. Alright, well thanks again for watching.